My name's Simon Alexander, I run HTM and we're sitting in Hand Picked Hotel Stanbrook Abbey, which has been recently refurbished. It's a luxury wedding venue near Worcester, capable of running 3 simultaneous weddings, and we're here today because we've implemented a solution which we've labelled Hotel Secret Service. The project started with Hand Picked Hotels asking us to look at what alternatives there were to paging.
What we're looking for is well, firstly we need practicality. As I said, over the years the kit that we've been used to has been quite cumbersome and not often reliable. Guests don't have a lot of time, we don't have a lot of time. It needs to be very simple in its usage and therefore effective. So the practicality has certainly been a large part of it, and keeping it simple, that was absolutely key.
It became clear that what was required was a set of communication tools that maximise the speed of communication between guests and staff, and also between staff members, given that it's vital to make the best use of available staff and also to be able to respond almost instantly to guest requests. As Gordan says, today's guests expect a rapid response, and that's the challenge we all face. Using Wi-Fi based hardware and a range of interacting smart devices, including a combination of mobile phones, smartwatches, tablets and other input devices, all linked to a central core messaging system, we now have a new way for staff to communicate between each other and ultimately allow them to live monitor the various requests in their properties. From a table requiring service in the restaurant to housekeeping requests or for an order for drinks during a conference, by providing teams of staff with a live task list that they can view and respond to in real time, every guest request can be monitored. With greater mobility, more effective user interfaces, and an ability to be completely flexible with messaging, Hotel Secret Service is modern, discreet, and can be specifically tailored to help staff and services keep up with the demands of today's guests.